It's quite an interesting product, actually. I got the Zen. There's a lot more info, but that's gonna be for the review. So I'll see you guys there. In the meantime, I'm gonna head home. See you guys later. Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach here, back with another video. So this has been my first video for a long time. I haven't been posting in a while, so yeah, I like technology like a lot. Not just like tech products, but like what's happening in the industry, you know, all the new apps, innovations, advancements. I'm into that stuff, right? So I want to be able to review that and like talk about that in this channel. I'm just gonna start unboxing, you know, and reviewing products that I like, that I'm interested in, and share it with you guys. So all we have here is, what's it called? The Zenergy Therapy Machine. Oh, sorry, no, it's the Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine from iHome. I've never really had a sleeping machine. I don't really need a sleeping machine. There is a market for this stuff, but you know, whatever. The reason why this caught my attention was like I was walking down the aisles like in the store, and then you know it just seemed pretty cool to me. And if you see in the packaging, it is approved and recommended by a sleep doctor, the nation's most trusted authority on sleep. Wow. Cool. So it has 10 sound therapy and white noise preset, 10 light therapy and color blending programs. You can charge your smartphone, and it has an app. Cool. Wow. It also has a radio. Cool. Alright. Okay guys, so the box comes in this egg container. Okay, we get the charging cables. I'm guessing this is the power brick. Yep, correct. Everything seems to have a white theme. Alright, so this is the speaker itself. It's actually smaller than I expected. It only came with Spanish. It only came with Spanish manuals. I don't know what this... Oh, there we go. So, do I think these things actually help? I'm not sure. Back when I was younger, I used to, you know, put on sounds when I was a kid to help me sleep, but I don't know if it actually helps, you know, help me to like, sleep. Well, you have a lot of buttons actually. As you can see here, there's a lot even on the sides here, and the ones going down. You see the power, and then a USB to charge your phone. If you want to use your aux, and then Bluetooth settings to pair. And here on the left side of the speaker, you can see like I'm guessing these are the noise options. You got Zen, you got Dream, Ocean, Storm, and Nature. Air, Focus, Quiet, Peace, and Heartbeat. Okay.
Pairing.
Okay. Cool. These lights are cool, bro. Damn. That's Zen, by the way. Apparently that's what the air sounds like. So the focus mode sounds like a static TV screen. Quiet, let's see what quiet is. Okay, that's apparently quiet. Heartbeat is the last option here. This is the loudest speakers goes. Oh, I'm guessing that's the white noise that you hear in there. Yeah, you could adjust the white noise. Oh, so these are different color blending modes. You got the white, that's the blue and yellow, whatnot, purple. Okay, and they just blend like that. They just keep changing. This is not bad. It's actually pretty cool. This, yeah, this one changes as well. This one's just pure orange, or yellow, or red. Oh, it just changes by itself. Cool. Okay, let me try to connect it to my speaker. It's not a bad speaker by itself, guys. Like, would I buy it? I mean, it's pretty cool. Probably, I would probably buy something like this because it looks pretty cool. Not to mention, it is a radio as well. The sounds are not bad. Actually, they're pretty good. And like the lights are really cool. I think the lights are the coolest part of this. The build quality, it's plasticky, right? You can see a little the edges of the plastic. All of this could be technically done on a cell phone. You know, there's a lot of apps out there that doesn't just do noises, but they have way more options. They even have voices from like sound therapists to like, you know, guide you through meditation and whatnot. Now this speaker is mostly used for, you know, meditation, you know, quiet sounds, you know, peaceful sounds. But I'm gonna try testing it for a bit and see if
Pairing failure.
and it.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, there we go. Okay, we are in radio mode, and if you want to use the stations, all you gotta do is use the plus and hot buttons. So if you want to cycle through the if you want to cycle through like the different modes, all you gotta do is just press the mode button. It will go through the phone, Bluetooth, radio, and the sounds. And you also got the alarm clocks going on here. So yeah, it's cool. It's cool, you know. It gives you that type of, you know, different vibe, kind of. You know what I mean? So that's it's not bad. iHome produces a lot of cool speakers. Not really good sounding ones, but cool speakers. If you like the speaker though, let me know in the comments below. If you have any different types of speakers like this, pull them down below. Yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Obviously, I'll be doing like a ton more um unboxing videos. I just like unboxing tech products, you know. I'm just interested in it. So, and if you want to see more content, definitely subscribe to the channel. There'll be a ton more product review videos and other tech related content. Comment down below what you think of the speakers, or if you have anything else any different type of product related to it that you want me to review. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing.